Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add links to images in Google Sheets. Adding links to images in Google Sheets is a great way to make your spreadsheets more interactive and visually organized. Whether you're creating dashboards, product lists, or reports, linking images allows users to click on a visual element and be directed to a website, document, or another sheet. If you want to add clickable links directly to images in Google Sheets using a dynamic and scalable method, the best approach is combining the hyperlink function with the image function. This method allows you to create fully clickable images using formulas, which is especially useful for dashboards, product catalogs, or automated reports. So first, we're going to find an image on our browser. I chose a Mercedes S500 car. We're going to click on it and copy the image address. Then we're going to go back to our sheets and use the following command. Equals hyperlink www.google.com, image, then insert the link here by clicking on Ctrl+V. Once you press enter, the image will appear inside the cell. When someone clicks on it, they'll be redirected to the specified URL. The hyperlink function creates the clickable link, while the image function displays the image inside the cell. When combined, the image itself becomes the clickable element. One important detail is that the image URL must be publicly accessible. If the image is stored privately, Google Sheets won't be able to render it. Make sure the image link ends in a direct image file format like .png or .jpeg. This method is especially powerful because it works dynamically. This allows you to scale the formula across multiple rows without rewriting it each time. Using this approach transforms a basic spreadsheet into an interactive interface. Instead of long text links, users can click on visual elements, improving clarity, navigation, and overall presentation. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.